The European Union says it will airlift medical equipment to Sierra Leone, Liberia, and Guinea on Friday to help treat people infected with Ebola. EU officials say Europe is well equipped to handle the disease despite recent isolated cases on European soil. As Sandra Gathman reports, the main challenge remains curbing the spread of the Ebola in Africa.
The European Union is sending as many as 100 tons of equipment, including gloves and masks, to better protect medical workers in West Africa from contracting Ebola. With more than 4,000 people still suffering from the virus, concerns are growing about further spread in Africa and abroad. A nurse in Spain, the first to become infected outside Africa, remains in hospital. The incident has raised concerns and rung alarm bells about the need for better monitoring. But EU officials insist Europe is equipped to handle an outbreak. The real concern remains in Africa.
There is no need to panic in that really you have this virus if you're in direct contact. That's why the nurses, the doctors are the one really in danger if you are in direct contact with the body fluids or with the patients, which is not the case of the daily person in Europe. And if there is a case, it might happen, it happened in Spain, we are equipped with the right hospital and the ability to deal with it.
The World Health Organization has warned that the spread of Ebola from Africa to Europe is unavoidable because of the frequent flow of travel between the two continents. But so far, officials in Brussels are downplaying the prospect of introducing travel bans.
What we need is not to isolate the country, it's to isolate the disease. So for this, the travel ban is not the best answer. The best answer is to make sure the humanitarian aid is stronger, can come to the field, and that we strengthen the health system on the spot. And that's what the World Health Organization and the experts say. They say, please don't lock the country, it's not efficient.
In addition to medical aid, the EU is also pleading with international partners to step up budget support to West African countries as they deal with a major health crisis. In addition to Friday's airlifts, the EU is sending 2 further planes to West Africa in the coming days. In the meantime, EU officials are trying to appease fears about contagion to the European continent, pleading with health workers to step up intervention in West Africa instead of retracting support. Sandra Gottman, CCTV, Brussels.